Welcome back to Auntie's Farm, a place for learning and so much fun. Welcome back to Auntie's Farm. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the calm. With tractors, bees, and cows that moo, there's always something fun to do. So come on in, don't be shy, and don't forget to be kind. Out on the farm, we laugh and play, with Auntie to guide us every day. Welcome back to Auntie's Farm, a place for learning and so much fun.
Welcome back to Auntie's Farm. Today Auntie is visiting Clark on his farm. Hi Clark.
Hi.
Hello. Are you going to show us around your farm today?
Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of farm do you have here?
Lots of tractors.
Lots of tractors.
Yeah.
And what animals do you have on the farm?
Something else.
You've got the cows.
Yeah.
And what have you got over this way?
The donkeys and the sleds.
The donkeys. And have you got dogs on your farm?
Yeah.
What are your dogs' names?
Maeve and Penny.
Maeve and Penny.
That one bite me. Penny. That one bite me.
Did Penny bite you?
Yeah.
Oh no.
There's a farm.
What did you find in there, Clark?
Let's go in here.
Yeah, let's go.
Maeve's gonna go down there. Let's follow Maeve. Let's follow Maeve.
How far in do we go?
Oh, there goes Maeve.
There goes Maeve.
Let's go. Somebody's sick.
There is.
Somebody's sick.
Can you see any abandoned cars?
Oh my God. Let me see something. Come down here.
What do you see?
A brand new.
A wheel? Do you think that's from the abandoned car?
I think so.
What is it from?
That's from the car.
Really?
Dad. Get it. Let's go and get it.
Why don't we go have a look at it
Yeah.
if we can?
Somebody's sick.
There are so many sticks. A bit tricky, isn't it?
There's a bad wheel. Let's go down there. You can see it. What come off that? What come off this? Maybe it was a tractor?
Maybe. Maeve's having a look.
Hey, let's get it.
Get it or just look at it?
As the wheel coming.
It's a bit slippery.
Hey Dad,
Yeah.
think you can get that wheel?
No, I think we leave it there.
Why? Why did it come off?
I don't know.
Uh,
It might have been there a long, long time.
What do you think it came off?
maybe a tractor.
Okay.
Let's go and look for the tractor.
Okay.
Maybe it's this way. Maybe it's this way. Maybe it's this way.
Rabbit.
Oh, we found two more brand new wheels. Guys, I think we found some more brand new wheels.
Did you?
Come this way. Guys. Guys.
Maeve's digging a hole. Do we think it's a bunny hole or a fox hole? You want to find a rusty old tractor?
What's the old tractor?
Let's see.
Let's go and see it. We just cross that and we can go and get it.
Okay. See if we can find one.
What?
What is this?
This is an old brand rusty tractor.
An old rusty tractor?
Yeah.
What's it doing here?
I was doing on with a wheel. Let's get out.
You want to get out?
Not to get the be kind.
Oh, don't forget to say
Be Hey.
Hey, what is it?
How's that one? Let's go and look at it.
I'm looking at it.
Let's go and look at it.
Can you see it?
Let's go and look at it. Let's go and look on for another abandoned rusty tractor, a blue one.
You think there'll be another one?
Go find a blue abandoned tractor.
Okay.
Let's go and find an old rusty blue tractor in the woods.
Are we?
Let's find it.
Yeah, we'll find it. What is it, Clark? Lots of other stuff to look at.
Before I want.
Did you get it? You're going to teach me how to drive the buggy?
Yeah, and here's the steering wheel.
What does the steering wheel do?
It drives to, it drives to, how to go the wrong way, you can steer.
Oh, it helps you steer.
And this helps you go.
That helps you
This helps you
go
go back and
Backwards?
forward.
backwards and forwards. What else do you use to drive?
The can, the needed to use, you can have a mandarin.
You can have a mandarin.
Oh, the one is in the back. I know how to drive.
You're sitting in the back or I'm sitting in the back?
The new sit in the front, and we sit in the front.
We both sit in the front. Is it safe for Auntie to drive?
Yep.
Is it safe for Clark to drive?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
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 By yourself or with an adult?
It's an adult.
Yeah, okay.
And now with kids, not with little kids. That's with a grown up.
It's for grown-ups, that's right. Thanks so much for showing us around your farm today, Clark.
Thank you.
I had so much fun. Don't forget
To be kind.
to be kind. That's right. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
You say bye?
Bye.
Wave. Yay. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Go,